Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So today in this video we will do the charging test of the Redmi Note 8, and this is this version is the 6GB 128GB version, the moonlight white color. The first we will do the charging test with the charger that came in the box. If you look at the charger, you can see that it is a 5V 3A charger, 9V 2A and 12V 1.5A. So let's just see what happens with when we first plug in this charger. I've got my USB meter here, and we will be using our original charging cable. And then after doing the charging test with this charger that came in the box, we will do the charging test with a power delivery charger, which is this one. So this is a 60W 45W power delivery charger, and we will see whether the Redmi Note 8 charges any faster when using a a PD power delivery charger. And the cable that we will be using is a pure USB-C to USB-C cable once we are done with the original charger that came in the box. So let's just plug in the original charger. I've got the original OEM cable, the cable that came in the box. Let's plug it in. Let's keep the box aside for now, and I've got my extension here. Let me just plug it in, turn it on. As you can see, it's turned on. So let's plug my USB meter in first. So USB meter goes in, plugging in my charging cable in the USB meter so that we can see. Let's turn on the extension. You can see that the charger is currently giving us about 5V and 0A because the phone is not connected. So let me just connect the phone and see how much voltage and current we get when we connect the phone. So let me just connect the phone. By the way, the phone is completely drained because if I turn the phone on, you can see that it is not turning on. It is displaying the battery low symbol. So let me just plug it in. Plugged it in. Let's see what happens on the screen. So we're getting 5V, and it is now changing. So 5V 2A, 5V 2A still. Let's see if it switches to fast charging or not. Still staying at 5V 2A, and currently you can see we are drawing about 16.3 something watt from the charger. The voltage is still about 5V, and the current we are drawing about 3A. So the Redmi Note 8, in my opinion, I think is drawing 5V, about 6V and 3 something amperes, and the wattage that we are taking is about 16 point something volt. Okay, so let's just continue this test. I'm going to start the timer and we will see how long it takes. Let me remove the the voltage switch to 6V and 2.6A, and that I believe is going to be the maximum voltage that we are going to get with this charger. So let me remove the USB meter because we don't want to waste energy, and let's plug it in. And let me start the charger timer on my phone. Because it is already 3%, I'm going to start the timer just now, and we will check back after a couple of minutes. So I've turned the phone on, and it is about just 4 minutes. We'll check back when it is about 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, as you can see, the phone is at about 10%. So let's just write that down. 10 minutes, 10% with the box charger. We'll come back when the time is 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's check what the phone is at. After 20 minutes, phone is at 21%. Let's write that down. 21%, and we'll come back after when the time is 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, let's check what we have. So you can see the phone is at 29% after 30 minutes using the box charger that came in the box. So let's write that down, 29%. And now we will check back after 60 minutes, that is 1 hour, while using the box charger that came in the box. So after 1 hour or 60 minutes, let's check what percentage our phone is at. So you can see after 1 hour 60 minutes, that is 60 minutes, it is at 59%. And this seems to be a little slower when compared to other phone that I have seen, that is Redmi Note 7, Redmi Note 7 Pro or Redmi Note 8 Pro. So we are at 59%. Let's make sure we're, yes, 59% after 1 hour. Now we will check back after 1 hour 30 minutes, that is total 90 minutes, and then we'll take a final reading at when the phone is completely charged. And while I'm charging, the phone is getting a little warm, which is normal. All the other phone get this much warm, so nothing to worry about there. Let's check back after 90 minutes. So after 30 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes, let's check the phone, and you can see the phone is at 88%. Let's write that down. And now we will check back when the phone is completely charged, or 2 hours. So as you can see, it's about 2 hours and 5 minutes, and our Redmi Note 8 is completely charged. You can see that it is 100% charged after 2 hours and 5 minutes. So let's write that down, 2 hours 5 minutes. So let's take a look at the timing. So we started the phone when the phone was completely a 0. After 10 minutes the phone was at 10%, 20 minutes 21%, 30 minutes 29%. So basically after each minute was equal to 1% of charge. After 60 minutes the phone was at 59%, 90 minutes 88%, and the phone was full charged in about 2 hours 5 minutes. So there we go. This was my charging test of the Redmi Note 8 with the charger that came in the box. In my next video we will do the charging test with a power delivery charger, and we will see how the power delivery charger compares to the charger that you get in the box. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.